शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे नित्यानन्देश्वरिवराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I welcome all the SJP Sarvanyapeta Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas e-Gurukul students, Kailasas Nityananda Hindu University students, and thousands of Paramashivoham Season 4 participants sitting with us live on Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, Kailasas Enlighten app. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's direct message from Sri Kailasa. Listen. Create a powerful cognition invoking the supreme power, Paramashiva, in you, and unclutch from everything you experienced as you and world. Listen. This is the direct, most powerful technique, method for you to manifest the being of Paramashiva. First, create the Satya Sankalpa prayer, deep prayer, Satya Sankalpa, invoking Paramashiva. O my Lord Paramashiva, the supreme power of the universe, supreme power of the cosmos, the most supreme existence, please manifest yourself in me. He expects only one thing from you. You requesting him, not even praying, just requesting him, please manifest through me. That's all. He is waiting. He is as much in love with you as much as you are in love with him. Just simple request. Please, 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 can you manifest yourself in me? Offering this request, decide to unclutch everything you know as you and the world and anything you know. Absolute supreme unclutching. I tell you, just if 10,000 people can do this all over the world, we will give a superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. It is actually too cheap, small number, just 10,000 people. I am not asking more than that. We need just 10,000 people. And for a normal, average human being's toxin level in their body and mind, within 3 months, they can successfully manifest Paramashiva. Nothing else is required, I tell you. If at all you want to reduce the 3 months time to lesser and less and manifest quickly, only one thing: stop taking solid food, start hydrating your body with a lot of liquids like neem juice, organic fruits juices, arugambul juice, herbs. Hydrate your body with organic fruit juices and herbal juices and stop taking solid food. Langanam parama aushadam. That is the ultimate alchemy medicine. Aushadam does not mean medicine. Aushadam means alchemy medicine. I tell you, fasting with the intention of manifesting Paramashiva not only detoxes your body, it detoxes literally your deeper layers like a prana sarira, mano sarira. Whole brain gets detoxed. And Ananda Sarira, Vijnanamaya Sarira, Anandamaya Sarira, all the deeper layers gets detoxed. I tell you, listen carefully. If you just do these 3 instructions, it's straight message from Paramashiva today morning. Request him, simple request, in your own language. It does not need any specific Sanskrit mantra, nothing. Your own language. Actually, my Anmartha Puja is a mixture of Tamil, English, Sanskrit, all the 3 languages. So it can be your own language or mixture of 2-3 language, no problem. There are some devotees, when they talk to me, it will be like some 5-6 language. I can give you many references. Tushi, Sona Kamath, Nitya Ramani, all these guys, 24 hours they talk to me. And it will all be mixture of languages. It will be like a different language, different slang. It can be your own language. Just request Paramashiva. I don't even want to use the big word prayer. Just request. Please, can you manifest yourself in my being? Whatever I know as my being, can you manifest? The supreme power, the supreme authority, the supreme source of this cosmos, please manifest. That's all. And then, after you put your request, try to unclutch as intensely as possible. I tell you. First instruction, requesting Paramashiva to manifest in you. Second instruction, unclutch, extreme unclutching, absolute unclutching. Third, if you want to fasten the process of manifesting Paramashiva, adopt this: no solid food, only hydrating your body with the liquids, juices, herbal juices, fruits juices. The third instruction of this no solid food is not compulsion, it's an option. Just these three, that's all. First two instruction is compulsion, all have to practice. The third is option, if you want to quicken the process, that's it. If 10,000 people can do this just for 3 months, we can give such powerful breakthrough to, superconscious breakthrough to the whole humanity, because all of us are connected, understand? All of us are interconnected. We are all not islands. These are all fundamental truth. I tell you. When you start unclutching, Kailasa experiences the joy, bliss of your unclutching. Nothing goes waste on this cosmos. That is why I am telling you, whether you engage with positivity or negativity, be aware of this one truth, nothing goes waste. So, never engage with negativity. Never engage with negativity, I tell you. Negativity, Rakshasa, demon is successful the moment you engage even a simple conversation with him, you are gone, he won. Even to deny him, do not engage with him. Turning your face away and wiping the demon's memories, Kulnari's memories. Absolutely keeping yourself away from the Kulnari is the only way you will win. Even if you are tempted to get into the conversation with Kulnari, over. Kulnari 1. I am repeating, from the beginning I was repeating and now I am again repeating. Even engaging with the demons, Rakshasas, Kulnaris is dangerous for you. You accumulate unnecessary karma. Don't engage even to deny or fight. You see, I am not saying agree with whatever he says, whatever Kulnaris say, whatever demons say. No. Neither agree, don't even listen. Just avoid. Control, delete, over. I tell you, any delusion, any maya wins over you the moment you engage in conversation. Because their very logic is different. The very logic you need to travel is different. The moment you engage even with their logic, you lost the life. Not just lost the game, lost the life. I repeat again and again and again to all of you, good or bad does not go waste. So, spend your time as much as possible in the good. If not, fall asleep. Don't even engage with bad. Don't even engage with Kulnaris. Don't even engage with Rakshasas and demons. Hey, you want enlightenment. Kulnaris don't. Kulnaris just want to destroy you, that's all. So remember clearly. Even if you engage with Maya, Rakshasa, Kulanari, you lost the life. You lost the game. Just if 10,000 people can sit all over the world and unclutch, we can give extraordinary superconscious breakthrough to the world. Especially now with this lockdown all over the world, the corona lockdown, it's too easy for you to sit and unclutch. And I'm telling you very clearly, I'm not threatening you or frightening you guys. This whole year there will be lockdown all over the world. It may get lifted for a few days and come back again. 2020 full year. It's going to be lockdown year. If we can reach out few thousand people and make them all practice just for 3 months and manifest Paramashiva's being, I tell you, we will give an extraordinary superconscious breakthrough to the universe. See, for example, it is not even, I am not even expecting the 10,000 people 24 hours unclutching. For example, if you are unclutching for 1 hour, then somebody else can take over that continuity. Akanda. The Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi of 10,000 people all over the world at any given point of time is enough. It means, even if we run a marathon, Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Yajna all over the world, and any given time 10,000 people are sitting unclutched, manifesting Paramashiva's being. 100 people in Hyderabad can do 1 hour. The next 1 hour, 25 people in San Jose can pick up. The next 1 hour, 50 people in Houston can pick up. The next 1 hour, 100 people in Tiruvannamalai can pick up. Like that, Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Yajna. But at any given time, 10,000 people all over the world are in Nirvikalpa Samadhi manifesting Paramashiva. Just mirroring Paramashiva. Like how the solar panels mirror sun and explodes energy. Same way, if we just mirror Paramashiva in pure unclutching, 10,000 people all over the world, that's all. I am not even expecting that each of you have to be sitting 24 hours. Even if you sit for 1 hour per day, that's enough. Then hand over to the next city or the next center. Like that, if we create few chakras all over the world, dharma chakras, and all put together, 10,000 people at any given point, at any given time, are sitting unclutched, manifesting Paramashiva all over the world. That's all. So you don't need to gather in one place. You don't have to sit 24 hours. It cannot get simpler than this. This will do so much good to you and to the planet Earth. So today, I am starting this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Yajna. All over the world, these chains will go on. Each Magat can decide to lead one chain. One chain can go on between African countries. One chain can go on between Asian countries. One chain can go on between US. One chain can go on between South American countries. We can create multiple chains. One chain can go on between European countries. You decide. Even if you do 1 hour, that's enough. Each 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, that jnana yajna, that nirvikalpa samadhi yajna can go on, manifesting the being of Paramashiva all over the world. You can see, for example, if some of you are interested, you can join morning 1 hour, noon 1 hour, evening 1 hour. To make this successful and to complete the Pachapattini Vradam, which we have not yet completed. Last time when we did the Pachapattini Vradam, we missed few days in the beginning. Those few days we will complete. So from tomorrow, I am beginning the Pachapattini Vradam. Those few days which we missed in the beginning, those few days we will complete it from tomorrow. From today, with the grace of Paramashiva, starts the Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna, manifesting the being of Paramashiva. And from tomorrow, the Pachapattini Vratam, few days, which we need to complete, we will start. Same rules of Pachapattini Vratam, which we missed in the beginning. Last time when we did the Pachapattini Vratam, we missed few days. We started a little late. Those few days we will complete it from tomorrow. How many days? I will announce the same Vratam instruction. The number of days we will announce tomorrow. As many days we missed, that many days we will do to complete it. So understand this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Manifesting the being of Paramashiva. Each zone people can start leading. Each zone people can start leading. Mahants can start planning. Scheduling 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour timings. And it is not necessary, it has to be only between American countries. Actually, America, when your daytime you can continue. And by the time, for India it will become daytime. By the time America gets the night, in India it will become daytime. So Indians can take over. So it can be coordinated. Just a few centers, if you coordinate, it can be between America and India, Europe and other Asian countries, and it can be South America and Malaysia. It can be just organized. Any given point, 10,000 people should be sitting radiating the being of Paramashiva. That's all I want. And I tell you, so much good will happen to you and to the whole world. One of the most beautiful things is in this kind of collective power manifestation, being manifestation, if you see, you put 1 hour unclutching, finally 1 billion hours all of us have put together, you get the result of the whole 1 billion hour, because it is collectively evolving. It's not that you put 1 hour and you get the result of only 1 hour. No. If you do it alone, you put 1 hour, you get the result of 1 hour. No. That is when you practice alone. But when we practice collectively, you put 1 hour, all people put 1 hours, the total is 1 billion hour, you get the result of 1 billion hour. You get the result of the totality of the collective effort. That is why I am saying, let us use the time, this corona lockdown time usefully. I am telling you, some days in some countries the lockdown may get lifted, but again it will come in place after a few days. This is going to go up and down, on and off continuously in various countries at various times. This whole year there is going to be lockdown. That is the truth. Some countries ease the lockdown for some days, then other countries start. This is going to go on. So let us use this time usefully and give a superconscious breakthrough to the whole world. Akanda Nirvigalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Akanda Nirvigalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. I also encourage the Rama's compilation of 108 Upanishads, Krishna's compilation of Bhagavad Gita. Understand? Just like Krishna gave Bhagavad Gita to the world, Rama gave 108 Upanishad compilation as Muktikopanishad to the world. Unfortunately, I don't know the reason why that Rama's compilation of the 108 Upanishads did not become popular all over the world. It should have become. I encourage all over the world these two being chanted. 108 Upanishads compilation of Rama and Bhagavad Gita of Krishna. These two. I think it is my responsibility to popularize that 108 Upanishads compiled by Rama. Understand? Akanda Nirvigalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. All over the world from today. Let us use this opportunity of COVID-19 lockdown going on all over the world, and do this Akanda Nirvigalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna and wherever it is possible, chanting the 108 Upanishads Muktikopanishad, compiled by Sri Ramachandra Prabhu, and Bhagavad Gita, revealed by Sri Krishna. I want all the Mahants to take this up and start coordinating. If we have at least 50 cycles, complete cycles running all over the world, we may be able to achieve 10,000 number at any given time. At any given point, 10,000 people all over the world should be sitting and unclutched. Let's really do this and give a breakthrough, super conscious breakthrough to the planet Earth. I think it is Kailasa's responsibility to give this super conscious breakthrough. I think all the Mahants, Sri Mahants, Sannyasis should start coordinating this. If you feel you are stuck somewhere in your personal life or in your office progress or in the Sangha work, some people are feeling, Swamiji, we want to start a temple and it's not happening. Wherever you are stuck, do this Jnana Yajna. You will see all the obstacles destroyed and a great positive explosion happens. If you build one Shiva temple in a city, the whole city gets consciously raised. Only if the city is ready to get consciously raised, you will be able to build temple. If you build the temple, city will raise consciously. It's directly connected. It's not a joke. It's directly connected. Understand that. So understand, this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. To give super conscious breakthrough to the world. Even if 10,000 people are attending Paramashivoham program, Paramashivoham level 2, even if 10,000 people are attending and manifesting the being of Paramashiva, that will also give a super conscious breakthrough. Let's work on both. Reach out to people as much as possible. If people can spend 16 days, let them do Paramashivoham. If not, at least do this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. We can have 3-4 levels, like first train people for 1 hour chanting Mahavagya, because in the beginning 1 hour they may not be able to sit unclutched. So chanting Mahavagya can be the very good first level training. And even chanting Upanishads for half an hour, then chanting Bhagavad Gita for half an hour, then the inner space will be ready for 1 hour of unclutching. It can be beautifully, the transition can happen. So we can evolve. People can start practicing. So if you want to be part of this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna to heal coronavirus problem and all the side effects of that problem, and to give superconscious breakthrough to the world. Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Please email contact@kailasa.org to be part of this Jnana Yajna. I want all the Apat Sannyasis to start leading at least one full 24-hour circle. You will be each Apat Sannyasi should be in charge of one circle, 24-hour circle. Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna circle. See, that can go to any country and come back. Morning 1 hour can be Tiruvannamalai. Second hour can be Chennai. Third hour can be Madurai. Fourth hour can be Houston. Fifth hour can be Australia. Sixth hour can be Malaysia. It can go to, that cycle can go to any country and come, but it should be alive 24-hour cycle. So each Apat Sannyasi should lead one cycle. Like this, I think we already have 200 Apat Sannyasis all over the world. Let all 200 cycles start functioning from today. Make the whole plan today. Tomorrow morning satsang time, it should start all over the world. At least 200 cycles starts all over the world, and at any given point 10,000 people all over the world should be radiating Paramashiva's being. Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Let's start this. We already had the project Minute for Peace. We will continue the same. That same project, we will continue it now to give a superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. To give superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. Now, people can plan. We missed the Pachapatni Vratam beginning 6 days. So we will do now 7 days. From tomorrow, 7 days we will do and complete the remaining Pachapatni Vratam days. From tomorrow, 7 days, 13th to 19th, we'll do the Pachapatni Vratam. And this Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna will go on for at least next 6 months, or till the corona lockdown gets over all over the world. Let us inspire people and use this coronavirus lockdown spiritually, usefully, and give a super conscious breakthrough to the whole world.
பேரின்பமல்கியுள்ளே அடிமை பேத்தம் தெளிய மருந்துண்டிருக்கிறது பேரின்பமல்கியுள்ளே மற்ற மருந்துகள் திந்தாலும் உள்ளுக்கு செல்லாது அல்லற்படும் மனம் இல்லாது தில்லை தரிசன பித்தம் தெளிய மருந்துண்டிருக்கிறது பேரின்பமல்கியுள்ளே பாம்பும் புலியும் மெய்ப்பாடுபட்டு தேடி பார்த்து பயிரிட்டது பாம்பும் புலியும் மெய்ப்பாடுபட்டு தேடி பார்த்து பயிரிட்டது அன்று பாரளந்த திரு மாயனும் வேதனும் பார்த்து கழித்ததுண்டு அன்று பாரளந்த திரு மாயனும் வேதனும் பார்த்து கழித்ததுண்டு பார்வதி என்றொரு சிமாட்டி அதில் பாதியை தின்றதுண்டு பார்வதி என்றொரு சிமாட்டி அதில் பாதியை தின்றதுண்டு இன்னும் பாதி இருக்குது பறையானி போய் பார் என்று தாரும் இன்னும் பாதி இருக்குது பறையானி போய் பார் என்று தாரும் எந்தன் பிடித்தம் தெளிய மருந்துண்டிருக்கிறது பேரின்பமல்கியுள்ளே அடிமை பிடித்தம் தெளிய மருந்துண்டிருக்கிறது பேரின்பமல்கியுள்ளே என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம்பலத்தவா பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம்பலத்தவா என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா நீ என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம்பலத்தவா பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம்பலத்தவா சொப்பனமோ என்றம் அப்பன் திருவருள் சொப்பனமோ என்றம் அப்பன் திருவருள் கற்பிதமோ என்ன அற்புதம் இதுவே கற்பிதமோ என்ன அற்புதம் இதுவே ஆடிய பாதனே அம்பலவானனே, ஆடிய பாதனே அம்பலவானனே, நீங்காண்ட கருணையை ஏறி அறிவேனோ, நீங்காண்ட கருணையை ஏறி அறிவேனோ. என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா, என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா, பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம் பலத்தவா, பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம் பலத்தவா. என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா, என்னப்பனல்லவா என்றாயும் அல்லவா, பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம் பலத்தவா, பொன்னப்பனல்லவா பொன்னம் பலத்தவா. வரந்தாரும் பெம்மானே பிரபாவரந்தாரும், பெம்மானே பிரபாவரந்தாரும், பெம்மானே பிரபாவரந்தாரும்.
With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.